welcome to day 4 of my 10 days of fall. Today we have the cutest little cup, tiny little cup. Okay, I'm so obsessed with this cup. This is a little wineless. I mean, it's wineless right now, there's no wine in here. It's a stemless wine glass. And I put a pumpkin on there in gray and just did a really pretty blush pink. Little pumpkin on the bottom. But I think this one turned out just so adorable. Like I can't. It's too cute. It's too cute. I don't know what else to say. It's just the cutest little stemless wine glass I've ever seen. And that's all there is to say about it. So if you guys want to see the tutorial on this little cute guy right here, this little cute gal, whatever we want to call her, let's get into the video. So I started off with this stemless wine glass, and it's just this really cute pink color. I really like the shape of this one, and it was not very expensive. So I took all the stickers off and prepped it for paint. And I'm first painting it white because the light pink shade that I'm using tends to not cover very well. So I prefer to do a white base underneath. So once that was dry, it's the blush pink chalked from Rust-Oleum. There's not very many like baby pink colors. I've only seen them in like gloss colors, which gloss I do not like for cups. I hate them. They always give me fish eyes and turn out bad. So this is the only light pink color that I've found that I really like. So once that was dry, I did my first coat of epoxy. This is the Artistry Tumbler and Art Epoxy. So just smoothing that on the cup nice and even. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold. I'll follow. So once that was dry, I cut out some decals. This is just a dark gray vinyl. I thought the dark gray and the pink would just be so cute together. So I just made this little decal. It says, "Hey Pumpkin," with some little kind of vine details. I make everything in the Over app on my iPad. And of course, weeding out these little pumpkins was a pain, but I think it turned out cute. So I'm glad it was worth it. But yes, I hate weeding these little tiny detailed things. So once that was done, using some masking tape to transfer the decals to my cup. So then just placing this in the center of the top part. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden. Then I just started adding the larger pumpkins first, and I kind of just wanted them randomly placed and not just straight up and down, just kind of turned every which way and just placed all around the cup. Golden things. Then doing the same with the smaller pumpkins. And just keep going till you end up with a cup that you're happy with. So then doing 2 more layers of epoxy and this cup was finished. So then this little cute pumpkin cup was done. I took it off, put the lid on, and she's done. She turned out just adorable. I am so obsessed with this cup. I love that it's fall, but yet it's just baby pink and so cute and little. Make sure you check out tomorrow's fall tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.